What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chef K. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make these peach cobbler egg rolls with a vanilla bean glaze. And it goes so crazy. So we're going to go ahead and put our peaches in a small pot and then add in your sugars, your spices, your lemon juice, your butter, and put that on low heat and just stir that until it's well combined. So after about 5 minutes, you should be good to go. And then we're going to go ahead and make our slurry. So we're going to take some of the syrup from our peach cobbler filling and just mix that in with the cornstarch. Then we're going to pour that slurry in and let it thicken up for about a minute. And we're going to let that cool for about 5 minutes before we start working with it. And once it's cool, we're going to take the filling and place it in the middle. And then go ahead and start folding it like an egg roll. I feel like I don't know the best way to like explain this, but definitely wet the wrappers. Then we're gonna go ahead and fold damn. Alright, so I figured out the explanation. So we're gonna go ahead and take that triangle piece and place it in the middle and then slightly roll it to make sure you get all the peach cobbler filling like tucked under it, and then roll it a little bit and then take the ends and fold them inside and then continue to roll. Wet the triangle again that's on the outside and then just roll it up, and then we're gonna fry it in some oil. Boom, I figured it out, yay. I'm going to fry the sides too because I didn't have a lot of oil, so if you're in the same boat as me, you can go ahead and do this. Then once you're finished, you're going to go ahead and place it on a paper towel for about a minute and then toss it in some cinnamon sugar. Now, if you're on a diet, make sure you save this video for later because this is definitely a lot of calories. And then we're going to go ahead and make a glaze, which is very simple. It's just powdered sugar. I use vanilla bean paste and I use some half and half. And we're just going to go ahead and stir that until it's well combined. Then once you're finished, it should look something like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into a ramekin. And I'm going to cut open one of the egg rolls so you guys can see it. And just by looking at it, I could still taste it. Like, it was so good, y'all. Like, oh my God. Anyway, so I'm about to dip it into the sauce for you guys. Well, not the sauce, sorry. The glaze, so you guys can, see what it looked like. And then I'm going to eat it. Chef's kiss. I had to get one bite. This was so good. But if you guys try this recipe, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to follow me on all platforms. I'll check you guys in the next video. Later.